Uploading documents to a Confluence page is an easy way to share files with your team. Here's how to do it. Open the Confluence page. Navigate to the page where you want to upload the document. You can create a new page or edit an existing one by clicking the Edit button at the top right corner. Insert the document. In the editor, you have several options to upload your document. Drag and drop. Simply drag the document file from your computer into the Confluence editor. Insert files and images. Click on the plus icon in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. Select Files and Images and then either browse your computer to find the file or drag it into the dialog box. Add description. Once the document is uploaded, you can add the description or additional context about the file by clicking on it and entering text. Save your changes. After you've uploaded the document and added any necessary information, click the Publish button to save your changes. Access the document. Once published, the document will be available for others to view or download directly from the page.